everyone, my name is Ranjith Vasu. I'm a strength and conditioning coach, a tactical fitness coach, also a certified sports nutrition coach. One of the other things which I do along with all this is I am also a self-defense instructor. So I have about a decade of experience in the field of fitness. And one of the most important thing about my fitness training program is I not only focus on physical development of the body, but also mental and emotional development of the body. Now, today's class is about the basics of fitness concepts. We will go to the slide so that we can discuss these points one after the other. All right. Now, first, before we get to the topic, the most important thing I want you guys to understand is what is fitness? If you go to the internet, there are so many different definitions of fitness. People say it's your, how fast you can run and, how much weight you can lift. Can you run a marathon? Can you swim? Those things are all right. But in general sense, fitness is your ability to live a happy, healthy, and a strong life. That means in all aspects of your life, you should be fit. Doesn't mean just about how fast you can run or how much weight you can lift, but also how happily you live your life, how successful you are in your career, and how balanced you are in your day-to-day activities. Now that is fitness. But right now, if you look at the fitness field, the moment you say fitness, only one thing comes into your mind: gym or a CrossFit or some, let's say, yoga or any other fitness activities. That is just one dimension of fitness. When you say, I want to be fit, fit for what is the question? Fit to run a marathon, fit to climb a mountain, or fit to just cycle to your work, or just to be in a lockdown situation without any interruption, just with yourself. Are you fit to be that? That is what fitness is. Fitness is something which is how fit you are to live your life in a very pleasant way. So when you just go to the gym and you're obsessed about going to the gym, that is not fitness. Just trying to be fit becomes an obsession and then you forget about fitness. That is not how you're supposed to be. When you say fitness, I am fit, you should be fit for everything which life throws at you. Let's say one day you need to climb a mountain. You shouldn't say, oh, you know what, I only lift weights, I can't climb a mountain. Or let's say other day, you need to pick up a heavy bike off the ground. You can't say, no, I am a runner, I can't lift heavy things. One day you are in a lockdown situation and people say you just need to sit at home. You should not say, oh, you know what, I can't sit at home, I can't sit idle. No, you should be able to do all of these activities. That is the true definition of fitness. Because we are very limited with time, today we'll just focus about a general aspect of what you need to do to stay fit. Simple ways to stay fit. The most important thing about fitness is about how you start your day to how you end your day. Some people like to work out in the morning or do any physical activity in the morning and then have the breakfast and then go about their life. But some people are too busy in the morning and they want to work out in the evening. But some people, they are busy in the morning and evening and they want to work out during the day. Whatever it is, your day should consist of one physical activity which focuses on strengthening your body, one meditation activity like yoga or simple meditation techniques, which will calm your emotions and your thoughts, and one activity which focuses on eating healthy. If you can do these three things in a day-to-day life, you will be fit. Now, what do you put in these three activities is completely left to you. For example, let's say in the physical activity today, you will choose running. Okay. And for the other dimension, which is your mental and spiritual activity, let's say you choose Surya Namaskar. And let's say for the food activities, you just choose a simple vegetarian meal, which could be a breakfast, lunch, dinner, or whatever it is. That's it. Next day, let's say, okay, fine, you don't want to run. You have a cycle, you just cycle. And then let's say you just sit and do a simple pranayama for the second dimension. And for the third dimension, which is food, you just eat a nice lunch and maybe you eat out for dinner, whatever it is. But these are the simple ways to stay fit. You don't have to have a strict regimen and stress yourself about staying fit. No, your lifestyle should make you fit. How do you do that? It's very simple. One physical activity for your body, one activity for your mind and your emotions and your energies, and the third one is food. If you can manage these three things in your day-to-day life, you're fit. Not just to lift weights or to run, but for life. Now, having said these things, looking at the present scenario, we'll go to the third principle, which is the fat burning principles, which is the most sought after principle, especially during the lockdown. So what happened during the lockdown was, although your activity has come down, you never restricted the food. Because of that, you gain extra weight than you generally would. Now, a lot of people, a lot of my clients are like, Ranjit, I've gained so much fat during the lockdown. How do I burn this fat? One of the simplest methods which I use for my clients is to do a simple, steady state cardiovascular activity, empty stomach. That's one of the best principles which you can use to burn fat. When is the best time to do it? You decide. For example, in my experience, training in the morning, not early morning as such, but morning, maybe around 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, training and then taking your time by finishing your workout and then coming back home, having having a shower and then your breakfast later after, let's say, 30 to 40 minutes after your workout, helps in your fat burning method of the body. Body naturally starts burning fat. Because what have we studied about fat? Fat is stored energy, right? When will your body use up that stored energy? When there is no fuel in the body. What is the primary fuel? Glucose. So if you keep eating throughout the day or immediately after the workout, the body will just use that food and it will not learn how to burn the fat. I know I will get a lot of flack by nutritionists who will say that, oh, you know what, you're supposed to eat immediately after workout. That is for people who are training for performance. When you're training for fat burn, you should train your body to burn that fat properly. How do you do that? Just like any other activity. Initially, you will have issues of, too much hunger and everything. If you're getting too hungry and gastric problems, then you can drink lemon juice. It will calm down your stomach acids. However, I'm not going to give you any more fat burning principles right now because we have very limited time. The number one fat burning principle, which I will give you right now, is to go on a fasted, steady state cardio. What is steady state cardio? You just, let's say, for example, you go for a 1 hour brisk walk, or a 1 hour easy cycling, or a 1 hour light jog, or maybe if you're a really conditioned athlete or a conditioned fitness enthusiast, you can work out in the gym for 1 hour and wait for at least 30 to 40 minutes to eat your next meal. This is one of the best fat burning principles. There are so many I can talk to you about, but for now, I will just stick to one. And if you want more fat burning principles based on your lifestyle, you know where to find me. You can always search for Ranjith Vasu and UrbanPro, and you can get in touch with me. Now, the final point which we'll be covering today is foods for immunity. Okay, so I will give you simple foods which you can get from day-to-day life. All right. The first one which I would rank number one is amla. All right. Amla is the number one food. It's a superfood, you can say, for building immunity. Now, let's say you're not able to find amla. What are the other options? You can go for a amla tablets. You can get in any, local Ayurvedic shop. Just go there and ask them for amla tablets. You'll get amla tablets. When is the best time to take it? You can take a couple of them during your breakfast or maybe once you're going for the night. Amla boosts your immunity like anything. Now, let's say you've taken amla in the morning. What are the other things you can take during the day? Citric fruits like lemon, oranges, sweet lime. These foods, once again, has a lot of vitamin C and also boosts your immunity to another level. Then what is the third thing you can eat for immunity? You would have heard about Chawanprash. It's an Ayurvedic food which you can get in Ayurvedic store. You can just get that and then you can start consuming that. I'm not going to give you too many foods. Amla, I would put it as rank 1. Citric fruits as rank 2. And a simple Chawanprash, which you get from any Ayurvedic shop, as food number 3. 3 foods. So let's focus on these simple factors for now. All right. You don't have to complicate fitness. Your lifestyle should make you fit. You should not include fitness into your lifestyle. That's hard. Make your lifestyle in such a way that every time you get up, you just do a physical activity and you just meditate or do pranayama, and then you just eat simple foods, vegetarian foods as much as you can, and that will make you fit. And with respect to fat burning principles, give your body that leverage and that time so that it can learn to metabolize the stored fat. Always remember, if there is food entering your body will not burn fat. Why does it need? It has glucose, so it will use the glucose, whatever food you're eating. For the body to learn how to metabolize the fat, there should not be any glucose in the system. Only then the body will learn to burn fat. And foods for immunity, amla or amla tablets every day, musambis and oranges and lemon, a simple champash. Do these things and then you are set. But if you want more advanced techniques, for that, you will have to contact me directly. And this completes the simple topics which we covered for today. I thank each and every one of you for listening to me patiently. If you have to contact me, you know what you need to do. Till I see you again, goodbye.